You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn the pronunciation of these Japanese artists once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from Japanese arts and famous painters, stay tuned. The Japanese pronunciation here is Utagawa Hiroshige, or Hiroshige Utagawa in English. However, the pronunciation is generally as Utagawa Hiroshige. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.